Now carefully remove the plastic sheet. Now apply water with the help of brush on extra edges of the paper. Once it is softened, remove it with your fingers. Now let it dry for 1 hour, then apply Mod Podge glue to seal the paper on jar. Here I am using Fevicryl Mouldit clay to decorate the jar. I am going to create a stone frame and will also be creating some rocks at the bottom. Once you are done creating this, let it dry for an hour. Take acrylic paint. Select the color matching to your design. Leave the inner part of the stone frame and paint all over the jar. You have to apply 2 coats of the paint. Now leave it to dry. Then apply paint on stones and rocks which we have created. Similarly, paint the lid of the jar. I am using brick stencil here to create wall look. Glue jute rope on the neck of the jar. Later I decided to fix a knob on the lid. So again I am using Mouldit to create the same. With the help of any sharp object, you can create wooden texture. Let it dry and glue it on the lid. Now paint it with the same color of the lid. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.